In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to take a different color. This will be okay. Yes, go to insert, shape. Take this rectangle, this one, yes, this one, which is curved from two sides, and drag it by holding shift and rotate it. I'm going to make little bit smaller, give it some rotation. Control D to duplicate it for later use. Control D to duplicate it for later use. Yes. Okay, go to insert, take a rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Control select both, go to merge shape fragment, and by holding shift select these two and delete. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. I'm going to give it some gradient. Yes. Delete extra stops, and direction will be from right to left, and delete extra stop. I'm going to give to the background color to the desktop, and this it's okay for now. I think this shape will go in back, and I think I'm placing here, rotate it little bit, and that gives a shadow effect. Go to soft edge and select this one, and make it little bit, it's okay. Yes, I'm going to reduce the transparency. Yes, it's okay now. I am going to give it some different color. This will be okay. Select this one and make it light. It is not light for now. Yes, it's okay for now. Go to shapes and take this rounded rectangle, make it fully rounded, and make it smaller from both sides, from vertical and horizontal, and place it here. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill dark gray. Select all and Control G to group it. Control D to duplicate it and place it here, and go to shape format, rotate horizontal, flip horizontal, and send to back. Send to back. Yes, it's okay now. Select both, Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it beneath these two shapes and send to back. I need one more shape. This will be okay. Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it at the end of all shapes and send to back. I'm going to change this color to a different one color. This will be okay. This one, change this color also. This is okay. I'm going to change this one also. This will be okay. It's okay for now. Yes. Select all and place it at right. Place these shapes on the slide. Go to text. I need some text. I have some written text. To save the time, Control C and Control V to bring it to the desired slide. Now place it here. It's okay. Backspace and press enter. Text box, take a text box, write 1, select Oswald and enter. I am going to make this size a little bit larger and give it a different one. I always think white color will be okay and place it here. Control D to duplicate it. Place it on the other shape. Control D to duplicate it. Place it on the third one shape. Control D to duplicate it and place it on the fourth one shape. Again, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. 2 is 3, 4, and 5. Select this text and Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Likewise for the fourth shape and the fifth. I need some icon. Oh, sorry. Cancel. Go to icon, insert, and here you can find your desired icon. Just type in the search tab your text and you will find your desired icon, and go to insert and bring it to the slide by holding Shift Alt and drag it to make it smaller. Now put one by one to these texts. Place it here and goal will be goes here and this will be goes here. Go to graphic fill by eyedropper through these colors. Through eyedropper, pick these colors, and you can also give these colors, and you will find these colors and recent colors. Make it little bit to the right. I'm going to add some text. Select this one and center align, and I'm going to text option to give it some shadow effect and to make its color white, and give it some shadow effect. That's okay. I am going to bring some text, and you can add your detailed text here on at the left side. I'm going to find some detailed text. Oh, sorry, I have no detailed text, so I'm going to bring this one. Control C and Control V to paste it here, and make it okay. I'm going to make it little bit size in bigger in size. A rounded rectangle, and rounded rectangle, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, make it gray color, and give it a dashes. I'm going to make it little bit smaller from both sides. Select both and bring it to the center of the slide. Yes, bring it at the center of the slide and put it here. Thank you for watching.